Okay, good day everyone. Welcome to an exciting live video analysis of my restaurant rating data set. Today, we'll be diving deep into the numbers, exploring everything from restaurant percentages by country, age group preferences, city-wide restaurant names, cuisine counts, occupation analysis, state distribution, age group, and preferred cuisine insights to the correlation between restaurant states and different transport systems. We will uncover fascinating trends and insights, providing valuable information to the restaurant analysis. A quick look at my Power BI dashboard. Here is a summary of the KPIs I calculated. Total restaurants 36. This KPI gives you the overall counts of restaurants in the data sets, providing an understanding of the scale and scope of the analysis. Restaurant by state 3. By calculating this KPI, I was able to determine the number of unique states represented in this restaurant data. It helps identify the geographical distribution of restaurants. Cuisines 112. This KPI reveals the variety of cuisines offered by restaurants in these data sets. It allows you to explore the popularity of different types of cuisine and their impacts on rating. Average food ratings. This KPI provides the average rating specifically for food quality across all restaurants. It helps assess the general satisfaction level of customers in terms of taste and presentation of dishes. Average service rating 1.09. This KPI calculates the average rating for the service quality provided by the restaurants. It gives insights into the overall customer experience in terms of staff friendliness, promptness, courtesy, and attentiveness. Average overall rating. This KPI represents the average overall rating given by customers to the restaurants. It combines the food and service ratings to provide an overall assessment of customer satisfaction. Country. By calculating this KPI, I was able to identify the countries where the restaurants in my data sets are located. It offers a broader perspective on the geographical distribution of restaurants. Cities 3. This KPI reveals the specific cities where the restaurants are situated. It helps understand the concentration of restaurants in different urban areas. Customers 3. Customers 138. By calculating this KPI, I was able to determine the count of unique customers in my data sets. It provides insights into the customer base and the scale of the analysis. Age group 6. This KPI allowed me to segment customers based on their age groups. It helps to understand how different age demographics perceive and rate restaurants. Here's a breakdown of the different visualizations created. Restaurant counts by age group. By visualizing the restaurant count by age group, I was able to analyze the dining preferences of different generations and identify any variations in restaurant popularity. Restaurant name by city. This visualization shows the names of restaurants grouped by the cities they are located in. San Luis emerging as the highest. Restaurant name by cuisine. This visualization displays the count of restaurant names categorized by cuisine types. It helps identify the most popular cuisines among the restaurants in these data sets, with Mexican emerging the highest. Restaurant count by occupation. By visualizing the restaurant count by occupation, I was able to explore the dining habits and preferences of different professional groups, with students emerging the highest. Restaurant count by states. This visualization allows you to see the distribution of restaurants across different states, helping you understand the regional variation in restaurant industry, with San Luis emerging the highest. Age group by preferred cuisine. This visualization allows you to see the distribution of restaurants, allows you and shows the preferred cuisine of different age groups. It helps you discover any patterns or preferences among different generations. Lastly, restaurants and states by transport system. This visualization combines the restaurant names with the states they are located in, using the transport system as a reference. It provides insights into the restaurant accessibility based on different modes of transportation, with public transports emerging the highest. Now, what are my findings? For the regional variation, I discovered significant differences in restaurant ratings across cities, states, and countries. Some regions consistently perform better than others, showcasing the influence of local taste preference and cultural influences. While exploring the cuisines, by examining the popularity of different cuisines, I was able to identify the trends and preferences among customers. This understanding can help restaurant owners tailor their menus to cater to specific demographics. Customer analysis. For the age and preferences, I delved into customer age group and their corresponding food and service rating. This analysis shed light on varying expectations and experiences of different generations. By studying the demographics of customers, I gained insights into their preferences and behavior. This knowledge enables restaurant owners to target their marketing efforts effectively. Now, when considering investing in a restaurant, some characteristics include strong customer base, location, menu, variety, menu variety, good service. These and many more all play a significant role in a restaurant's success. Thank you.